Hey guys, Lewis here. Today we're comparing two of the biggest online business platforms, Kajabi and Kartra. Both are powerful, but they're built for different types of entrepreneurs. If you're trying to decide which one is right for you, this video will break down the key differences so you can make the best choice for your business. Now, full transparency, I personally use Kajabi because I think it's the best all-in-one platform, but that doesn't mean it's perfect. And Kartra has its own strengths too. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of both so you can make the best choice for yourself. And if you do decide Kajabi is right for you, I've got a special 30-day free trial link, way longer than the standard 14 days, plus some exclusive bonuses, including my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900. More on that later though, but first, let's dive into the comparison. Alright, first off, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Kajabi and Kartra are pretty different in how they started. Kajabi started as a platform for creating online courses. Over time, it added features like email marketing, sales funnels, membership sites, and digital product. Its tools are built around what course creators need, making it perfect for education-based businesses. In contrast, Kartra focuses on funnels and marketing automation. It's designed to help build complex sales pipelines, which is why it's popular with creators who want to prioritize their sales funnels. Now, let's take a close look at the core features of both platforms. Kajabi is great for creating online courses and managing memberships. It has an easy-to-use setup for building courses with videos, quizzes, and assignments to keep learners engaged. Plus, it offers features like forums and challenges to help build a strong community. This makes it perfect for educators who want to share their knowledge while creating a supportive learning environment. In contrast, Kartra is better for marketing. It comes with advanced tools like a visual workflow builder, which helps you set up marketing campaigns easily. However, its options for creating courses are pretty simple. It doesn't have the interactive features that Kajabi includes. Plus, both platforms let you build websites and landing pages. Kajabi makes it super easy with a user-friendly builder. It comes with lots of customizable themes and templates so you can create a professional website without needing to know any coding. On the other hand, Kartra also has a strong page builder with plenty of templates to choose from, but some people find its interface harder to use, which means it can take a bit longer to figure out how everything works. When it comes to email marketing, both platforms let you set up automation, but Kartra gives you more advanced tools. It lets you create detailed segments and set up complex automations, which is great for businesses with larger marketing needs. On the other hand, Kajabi keeps things simpler. Its email tool works well, but focuses more on being easy to use and offering a smooth experience. So if you're looking for a more user-friendly option, Kajabi might be the better choice. One area where Kartra shines is its built-in help desk. It's great if your business needs a solid support system. It even includes a knowledge base where customers can look up answers or send in their questions. Some people find it super useful to have this help desk in the same platform they use for marketing and product launches. It makes things easier and keeps support for your clients or students in one place. In contrast, Kajabi doesn't have a built-in help desk system that's as advanced as Kartra's, but it does let you set up a community portal. While it's not the same, it can work in a similar way. Students can ask questions in the community, and as the course creator, you can reply there or guide them to more resources. That said, Kartra offers a full ticket-based help desk with a search engine for articles. This gives it an advantage if you need a more complete system. However, if you're okay with a simpler system for customer support, Kajabi's community portal and other options like email or a third-party tool might work just fine. Also, Kajabi and Kartra both offer a great set of tools to help you automate your work. They let you send email sequences, manage leads, and organize sales events. Kartra focuses more on funnel building, which is useful if you want to create layers of upsells or membership options. For hosting automated or on-demand webinars, Kajabi's unlimited video feature is a big plus. You can keep a webinar replay on your Kajabi site and send new leads to that page anytime. Since there's no limit on how many videos you can upload, you can easily add more webinar replays or bonus content without worrying about running out of space. If evergreen webinars are key to your business, this flexibility is a huge benefit. On the other hand, Kartra can handle webinar funnels too, but you'll need to keep an eye on how many videos you're hosting. If you go over the limits of your plan, you might need to upgrade to accommodate extra content. Now let's talk about pricing. Kartra has 4 plans. First up, the starter plan is $89 a month for the first 12 months, then $119 a month. It comes with unlimited email and SMS, 2,500 contacts, and 1 custom domain. On top of that, you get access to unlimited products, funnels, pages, memberships, a drag and drop page builder, e-commerce tools, calendar booking, AI features, and 100 pre-built campaigns. The growth plan costs $137 a month for the first 12 months. After that, it's $229 a month. It offers everything everything in the starter plan, plus 12,500 contacts, 3 custom domains, funnel simulation, webinars for up to 300 people, advanced automations, affiliate management, surveys, quizzes, and even a help desk system. The professional plan is $549 per month and is great for advanced users who need more powerful features. It includes everything in the growth plan, plus 25,000 contacts, 5 custom domains, real-time funnel analytics, webinars for up to 1,000 people, and live chat support for the help desk. The enterprise plan costs $999 a month and is designed for big businesses. It gives you everything in the professional plan, plus 250,000 contacts, 50 custom domains, 50 team members, and webinars for up to 5,000 attendees. Kajabi also offers 4 plans. The Kickstarter plan costs $89 per month. It's perfect for building your business foundation. You get 1 website, 1 product, 1 community, support for 250 contacts, 7,500 marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, and access to Kajabi AI and Creator Studio. Plus, you get unlimited marketing emails, landing pages, Kajabi AI, Creator Studio, and a group onboarding call. It also adds third-party integrations, so you have more flexibility to grow your business. The growth plan is $199 per month and is the most popular choice. You'll get 1 website, 15 products, 25,000 contacts, and unlimited marketing emails and landing pages. On top of that, it comes with a lot of useful features. These include third-party integrations, 24/7 support, affiliate programs, a custom domain, custom branding, multiple admin users, and webhooks. Finally, the Pro plan is $399 a month. It gives you 3 websites, 100 products, and 100,000 contacts. Plus, it includes everything from the growth plan. Plus, you get webhooks, a custom code editor, and way more ways to customize your setup. Now, when you compare the pricing plans, it's clear that Kajabi is way more affordable for your online business. All right, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them all for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and the templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.